What up, what up, what up, what up, what up? I know I've been taking time before I drop the video, and this time I'm gonna be dropping a little video, a banger. I know you guys don't know about my BitStore. This is my BitStore app, and most of the times I use it to make withdrawal for my forex, like when I make profit from the forex market, I withdraw from there. Coming down to what I'm saying right now, when you want to withdraw from your BitStore, the first time I tried withdrawing, I didn't really know much about it, so I really made a lot of mistake, and I didn't do a video about it. So right now I'm going to be doing a video, and I'm going to give you full detail on how to register and sign up a BitStore app. So coming down to the withdrawal, when you go to the app, this is the home page. This is the home page right here. So you just go to withdraw, you click withdraw BTC. That's what I'm going to be withdrawing. I'm going to be sending it to another wallet. That's what I'm going to be doing. I'm sending it to another wallet. So when you come here, you put in your wallet ID, that's your wallet address, and it has to be only BitStore. When you go there, you click it down, then you come down, you put in the amount you want to withdraw. You saw $10 there. The charges is this what do you call it, it's $2. So every Bitcoin charges is $2, not just on MYBITSTORE. So don't think it's only MYBITSTORE that does it. Every Bitcoin charges $2 because of it. It's just like when you are withdrawing Ethereum charges more. So it's just like BNB have a little gas fee, other crypto have their gas fee. So coming down to the withdrawal page now, let's get down to it. So when you click on the preview, they will now show you the charges and everything and other things. You just have to wait for it to load. My network is kind of slow, that's why it's taking time. So you have 5 minutes to complete this transaction. They've told me already. So you see what I'm saying right here, the $2, the total BTC is the 0.000345154. Network fees, and this is how much I'm withdrawing. So withdraw funds, so that's what I'm going to be drawing right now. So you guys are going to see what I'm going to do. So you have to wait for 5 minutes to complete the transaction. So they've sent me a code that I'm going to impute here on my on my email. So you guys have to wait for it to load. Then when it loads, then I'll do some video. But you guys are gonna wait. But excuse me. So it's about time I impute the code. So when I'm gonna impute the code, I'm gonna put it right now. So that's the code I'm gonna put there. They've sent it to my email. That's my email. So they sent it to my email. So you have to wait. Don't share that OTP code. It's your personal OTP code, and this is it. Withdrawal successful, $8 withdrawal, and you guys can see. So when withdrawing, this is safe, sound, and easy. You gotta not waste your time. You gotta not do nothing. You're gonna enjoy yourself. So thanks for watching, guys, and stay tuned to more videos from my crypto class. Peace out.